26. Read the question at the start. Tell a classmate your answer and say why. All right, the question in question is a bad, oh no, that's not the question. That's the title. A bad Monday morning. The question at the start is this question. How often do you want to sleep and not get up for school? Well, for me, the answer to how often do you want to sleep and not get up for school is always. Because I like sleeping. I don't like getting up for anything. Doesn't matter if it's for school, for work, even getting up to play. I still don't want to get up. I'm like, Mom, stop. No, I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I want to sleep. And then I have to get up. What about you? How often do you want to sleep and not get up? All right, now let's have you stop the video, read it. Let's listen to it together.
A bad Monday morning.
How often do you want to sleep and not get up for school?
Always.
I sometimes do that. I turn off my alarm and go to sleep.
What is an alarm? An alarm is... That's the alarm.
I want to tell you about a very bad Monday morning. Suddenly, Mum's standing over me. She's shouting and she's pulling off my blanket. Alex, it's 8 o'clock. We mustn't be late. You have a presentation at school today.
What's a presentation? A presentation is when there are okay, here are all the kids, and then you go up to the front of the classroom and you stand here and you talk about something. There might be like, a TV here and you would just talk. That's a presentation. A 表示. I don't know how to say presentation in Chinese, but he's doing a presentation at school.
I jump out of bed and get dressed. Then I run to the bathroom. But my big sister's using it. I run downstairs to the other bathroom. My dad's using it. Then Mum calls, "Breakfast!" I run to the kitchen. "Here's some chocolate milk and some fruit," Mum says. "But for breakfast, I always have..." "No time for that today," Mum says. "We must leave now." I start to say, "I must," but Mum says, "Now, Alex." We run to the car and drive to school. All the lights are red. When we get to school, I run to the assembly hall. All my
What is the assembly hall? The assembly hall is the big room at this school where there's seats, lots of seats, and then there's a stage, and then there might be some curtains, and then here's where people do presentations. So this is the assembly hall. The assembly hall is that big room.
classmates are there. They're smiling. My presentation is good.
Ooh, did he do a good presentation or a bad presentation? Good.
I'm very happy. But then I go to the bathroom and look in the mirror. I'm wearing my sister's shirt. My hair is going in all directions, and I have chocolate milk around my mouth.
Oh my gosh, he was wearing his sister's cute heart shirt. His hair is going in all directions. 他的头发各个方向都飞走。And he has chocolate milk around his mouth. Oh my golly. What a presentation. What bad things happened to Alex in the story? And why? Tell me in the group. Well, let's read through it and talk about some bad things, okay? I want to tell you about a bad Monday morning. Okay, that's not a thing, though. That's just the Monday morning. I know. Mom is shouting. She's pulling off my blanket. Those things are bad, right? Why is Mom shouting? Why is Mom pulling off my blanket? Mom, why are you doing that? Mom, why are you doing that? I'm gonna eat you. I ate Mom. Mom is shouting and pulling off his blanket because Alex has a presentation at school. He must go to school. Okay. Now, does anything bad happen right here? I jump out of bed. Then I run to the bathroom, but my big sister is using the bathroom. My sister is using the bathroom. 她占用这个 bathroom. Then I go downstairs, 楼下 to the other bathroom. My dad's using it. Oh, those are bad. And then Mom calls breakfast. Breakfast is good. Here's some chocolate milk and some fruit. But for breakfast, I always have 但是我一直吃的是 ... No time for that today. We must leave now. Okay, so does he always have an apple and chocolate milk for breakfast? No. 他刚刚准备说但是我的早餐总是另外一些东西。然后妈妈说我们没时间，我们一定需要马上走。So that's bad. He couldn't eat what he wanted to eat. Here's something bad. All the lights were red. All the car lights were red, so they got to school really slow. Then, the presentation was good, but when he went to the bathroom and looked in the mirror, 镜子, he noticed 3 bad things. What were they? The shirt, the hair, and the milk. Oh, what a bad day. All right. In the group, tell me about your favorite day of the week and why you like that day. I'm going to write that down. Page, let's see, 26. Page 26. Tell me about your favorite day of the week and why you like that day. Good blink. For now, let's go to the next page. Look at the pictures. What can you see? Copy a word or words from the box. A comic or a comic book is this thing. A comic. Breakfast. Where's breakfast? Ooh, toothpaste for breakfast. Wait a minute. No. Breakfast is more like actual food. Skates. Stop it and do it yourself if you haven't already. A lake. A lake is a who. An email. Do you see an email? I do not see an email. Is that an email? What is that? I don't know what this is. So I'm gonna just leave it blank. Toothpaste. I see toothpaste. Leaves and a tractor. Okay, I think the book made a mistake. Look, this is a keyboard. Keyboard is a jianpan. And I think this is the screen, the 屏幕. I think when they made the book, they made this picture too big. 我觉得谁做了这本书，不小心地弄了这个照片太大太大，所以我们只能看电脑的一小部分. We can only see part of the computer. So I think this is supposed to be an email. All right, that's funny. Book. You made a mistake. Book. Read and think. Circle the correct answer. You find these on trees, and they're green. Do you find a leaf on trees? Do you find leaves on trees? Why, yes. Both are correct. A leaf 的意思是一个树叶 Leaves 的意思是很多树叶所以这个问题的答案是什么 You find these, and they are. 你把这些东西你找这些东西在 trees 上，而且它们是 green. So it's leaves. 如果是 you find it on trees and it is green, then it's a leaf, but it's not that. Most people eat this in the morning. Most people eat breakfast or breakfasts. Breakfasts 是非常非常少用的一个单词。其实我没有听说过 breakfasts. It's just you eat breakfast. You can use these in the park. It's fun. Okay, it is fun. What is fun? A skate is fun or skates is fun? 这里it's 第四不是 skates 不是 skate it's 第四是 use 是 fun use 什么才是 fun 呢 skates 是一个动词 skates 是这些如果你说一个 skate 那你要说 a skate 但是 skate 单独一个单词是什么 skate 是一个动词它的意思是滑所以滑 skates 就是 skate 明白吗 skates 是一个名词 skate 是一个动词 What is fun? Skating is fun. So you can use skates in the park. Using skates is fun. You write this on a computer or a phone, okay? You write emails and an email on a computer or a phone. You write this. This is singular. You write an email. 如果是 you write these 的话，那就是 emails，但是不是所以。3. You use this to clean your You use this to clean your toothpaste or a comic? Well, you use toothpaste to clean your teeth. And there are lots of different stories in this comic. Did you get it? That one might have been a little bit hard. Look at units 1 and 2. Write 5 sentences like activity 3. What does that even mean? Okay, 它的意思是看 look at these words. Now, describe them. Describe. Describe. 的意思是描述。写一些描述这些东西的句子。Okay? I'm gonna give you a little example. All right. Write sentences to describe 描述 5 of these words. You choose 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Any of them are okay. I'm going to give you some examples. You can swim in this thing. You can swim in this thing. What do you think it is? 你可以游泳在这个东西里面. I think it's a lake. 你可以游泳在湖里. You can swim in the lake. All right. Number 2, you can use this in a field to help you grow plants. You can use this in a field to help you grow plants. 你可以用这个在一个田里来帮助你养植物. What is it? A tractor. Sweet. All right. You can finish the rest of those. That's one of your little tasks. And just like that, it looks like we're done with not only today's video, but also unit number 2. Sweet. Let's watch a video to celebrate. All right, here's a fun video. Who can you see? His name is Pac-Man. All right. Who is this guy? His name is Siren Head. Siren is a type of alarm. He has a siren head, so his name is Siren Head. Whoa, dominoes! Small dominoes, then bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger dominoes. Pac-Man, watch out! It's Siren Head! He's coming! Whoa. Pac-Man, be careful. You're under the big domino, and the domino is falling. Will they be okay? They are under the big domino. Be careful.